Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you how to listen to music together on Discord using your desktop. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open your Discord and log in your account. Okay? So now you need to make sure that you have a music bot on your server. And if you don't have one, you need to add one, and if you don't know how to do it, I have a tutorial on how to do that. Okay, so now what what I want you to do is to go here at the text box at the lower part of your screen and type play. Okay, and you want to choose this first option. So as you can see, it plays a song or a playlist in your voice channel. You can provide a song name or a link. Okay? And also you need to make sure you have a voice channel on your server. And now let's go back here at the text box. So now you can just go ahead and type the title of the music that you want. And if you have a Spotify, you can use that. So just go ahead and open your Spotify app and choose the music that you want. So now you want to click on the three little dots at the right side of the music that you want. Click on share and click on copy song link. Okay, so once song link is copied, you want to go back on your Discord and paste it here at the text box. So once you enter sending the command, and now when you go on your voice channel, you can hear the music that you've chosen. Okay? So when your friends will enter the voice channel, they can also hear the music that you are playing. Okay? So that's it. That is how you listen to music together on Discord. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.